Hello friends, YouTube family. Here we are in Kerala. This short video wanted to look at Yoni Mudra, the time-honored mudra of the Yoginis, interlacing the fingers together, making the shape, index fingers touching, thumbs touching, stretching through that web space, and placing it at your Yoni Sthana, space of the womb, and sitting down in a comfortable meditative position. Benefits of Yoni Mudra are many. Increases your feminine power, your Shakti, helps with uterine pain, PCOS, fibroids, menstrual pain, connects us to the Yoni Sthana, the space of the womb. And through working with my students, often I hear, particularly for older women, if they've had a hysterectomy, that they feel they don't have the uterus anymore, they can't practice these techniques. Absolutely not. It is the space of the womb, the energetic space of the womb. So whether you actually have the physical space or not, it doesn't matter. It's the energetic space of the womb. And the brain still remembers. You know, if people have an amputation, the brain still remembers that part of their body. So Yoni Mudra is for every woman on the planet who has a uterus or has had a uterus, every person on the planet who has or has had a uterus. Here we go. It's a lovely mudra to incorporate into your meditative practices, into your yoga asana even, but really it's an energetic connection through the fingers that have multitude of nerve endings, and yoga really is about mudras. Last night I was able to see these beautiful dancers from Kerala, and their fingers and their hands and their gestures. And the mudras was just mesmerizing. So use your hands. Wonderful if you also have a little bit of arthritis or stiffness into your knuckles or your hands. So interlace those fingers together, stretch and touch the index fingers to touch, thumbs to touch. And what a beautiful shape that is. Obviously that is the space of the pelvic floor, and it reminds us of our feminine energy, our inherent Shakti that we all have. So connect to that. Through this, we also connect to the mother, we connect to the earth, we connect to the plants, we connect to the feminine energy, the soft, caring energy that we have to give to ourselves, first and foremost, so that we can be of service to others. So practice Yoni Mudra. Leave a comment below as to how you feel Yoni Mudra enhances your life. And please subscribe to my channel for more. Namaskaram, everybody. Be well.